Hello everybody, and welcome to another version of Whacked Out Drivers in the Natty. See those orange signs there? I so wish a cop would have been present because this person's fine would have been doubled. I mean, if you're in this much of a big hurry, keep your butt at home. You see all these orange signs, folks. You see we're stopped at a red light. When you're stopped at a red light and the cars in front of you are stopped, then the cars in front of you start moving. And then when the cars in front of you that are moving stop all of a sudden, 99 times out of 100, there's usually a good reason why the cars in front of you have stopped. Now here you're going to see we're going to come to a stop. Oh my goodness, look to the right, folks. We have an emergency vehicle. That's correct, we have an emergency vehicle. You need to come to a stop and yield the right of way to all emergency vehicles. But this idiot behind us, this female driver behind us, did not think so, and she actually started to go around us. You heard me correctly. This lady started to go around us. Take a look at this. And here she comes pointing behind us. And just in case this lady happens to see this video, because you can kind of make out her face, in the state of Kentucky, ma'am, this is a one-party consent state. I do not need your permission to publish this. Keep in mind, you acting like an idiot, there's actually a sticker on the back of our vehicle. If you had took the 2 seconds it takes to read it, you would have been warned that you're being recorded. Watch this, folks. She throws her hands up. I wonder why we're stopping. Then she literally starts to go around us. And watch here. You can see the emergency vehicle go past us. Let's take a look at this again. And as she pulls in the back of our vehicle, pay attention. She does not have both hands on the steering wheel. She's playing with her hair. Looking around, lolly-dolly, you know, she can care less what's going on. She's in her own little world, playing with her hair. Maybe, she didn't blow dry enough or something. Who knows? But, I guess maybe she needs to get something on the other side of her head now. But, the reason why I sound like a smartass because of this, because she could have easily hit this emergency vehicle head on if she would have continued to go around our vehicle. Right there. If she would have continued to go around our vehicle, if we went on and moved, she could have easily hit that emergency vehicle head on. Because guess what? The last thing that emergency vehicle is expecting is somebody to be going around another vehicle when they are making that turn there, because they have the right of way. All traffic is to come to a halt, just like you are to pull over to the shoulder of the road when an emergency vehicle is coming by. This is the Bulldozer. Drive safe. Also stay tuned because I have another video coming out today with this lady texting and driving and actually almost goes into the side of a gas tanker in Kentucky. Unbelievable. This is the Bulldozer. Drive safe. Put the phones down. Eyes on the road, and I'm out of here. Here's some more videos you might find interesting. You can find these videos on the Whacked Out Drivers in the Natty YouTube channel. Link is in the description. Video on the left is where we are leaving an area hospital, and as we get to the intersection, you see a Jeep in front of us turning, and a dually running the red light with over a dozen bags of concrete almost plows right into the side of them. Absolutely insane. They would have definitely flipped that Jeep multiple times as fast as they was going. On the right hand side is a video we caught on camera where this person decided to run a red light right in front of a police officer. You can see the lights coming on right there to go pull them over. In too big of a hurry to go nowhere, I guess. And then the video in the center of your screen is where we had a sort of bus get right on our tail end. They tried to cut us off. This is actually an insane video. I actually removed the bus driver's face. I blocked his face out. Didn't have to, because when you're in the public, you are fair game. You have no rights to privacy at all. A lot of people do not realize that, but that is the case. That's why all these people have dash cams and everything. You see people going around doing these audits on the police, because once you're in the public, you have no rights to privacy. So I advise you to mind your P's and mind your Q's, because in today's world, if there's not somebody standing on a corner recording you or catching you in the background because they're recording somebody else, there's chances are that the police, the city, somebody else, the government, has got cameras on telephone poles, over lights, and they are filming you also. Always expect that you are being recorded, and never expect that you're not being recorded. Thank you for watching this video. Please drive safe, and remember, use your turn signals before that last turn signal you don't use ends you up in the hospital, possibly kill somebody, or worse yet, kill you. Put the phones down. There's no phone call, no text message that is worth it. Pull over to the side of the road and take that phone call, read that text, because again, I believe you would think, at least your family does, that they are more important than any text message you might get or any call you might get. Thank you for watching. Thank you for giving me your time. This is the Bulldozer. Drive safe, and I'm out of here.